Hi, gang. Sorry about this. Um, I missed class on Wednesday. My grandson was born, Kobe Mitchell. Can't wait to show you pictures. But anyway, I hope you did the review. And I do have an office hour today from 10 to 11. The Zoom link's on Schoology, as you saw, I guess, because you got this video. And and then one from 1 to 2. So I'm going to go over some things, and then I will be happy to go over anything you want on during those 2 hours as well. But this part is not on the review. I mean, the problems are, but let me just explain. The first 14 questions, notice the directions on the final. The directions are: solve each equation. If there is more than one solution, state their sum. This is how they get away from people being able to plug and chug multiple choice. Okay, guys? Please be careful. The first 14 questions out of 50 are like this. So, for example, this is a typical question, is similar to one that's on the final. Solve this equation. Okay, it's a quadratic. We have to factor it. Now, you can always pause me, guys, if you want to do some of these on your own. Okay, please feel free. But anyway, I would factor this. I'm going to take an x out. What's left? 5x minus 3 equals 0. So my answers are either 0 or 5x minus 3 equals 0. So 5x equals 3. Sorry. Oopsies. So x equals what? 3/5? What I have to do, since there are two answers, right? If there is more than one solution, state their sum. So I'm adding 0 plus 3/5, which is 3/5. So my answer is 3/5, which of course is 0.6. So that's my answer. What happens is people get confused and they're like, wait, 0, like it's 0 and 0.6. But I just have to state their sum. Okay? And there's the sum of the answers is 3/5. Let's try another one. Ick. Let's put this, let's get everything equal to 0. So subtract 15x, subtract 10. Again, pause me, try it yourself if you'd like. This is four terms, so I'm going to go 2 at a time. Take these first two. What am I going to, I guess, take an x squared out? Okay, out of the second two, take a -5 out. Right, this is still 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 15x minus 10. There's a common term of 3x plus 2 that I can factor out. And then I'm left with x squared minus 5. So I get 3x plus 2 equals 0, or x squared minus 5 equals 0. This one reduces to x equals -2/3. This is x squared equals 5. So x equals plus or minus square root of 5. Adding them all together, -2/3 plus the square root of 5 plus negative the square root of 5 gives me -2/3 because these two add to 0. So that answer, is D, -2/3. People will see the square root of 5, the -2/3. They get, they pick that. Add your answers together. Okay, if you get more than one answer, add them together and state their sum. The sum of all the answers is -2/3. Okay, here we have 4x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0, I guess, right? We'll just subtract the 5x. There we go. Let me see if this factors. 2x 3 and 1. That gives me, nope, maybe 4x and x. That gives me 12, nope. 3 and 1. Okay, doesn't look like this factors, so I'm just going to use the quadratic formula. Opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So I have 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 48, which is negative 23. So I squared to 23 all over 8. Most people will circle A, but it's 5 plus or minus I squared to 23 over 8. Okay, so it's 5 plus I squared to 23 over 8, and it's 5 minus I squared to 23 over 8. Those are my two answers. If I add them together, I get 10. The I squared of 23 and negative I squared of 23 go away, or add to 0. 10 over 8, which equals, cut that in half, 5/4. 5/4 is the answer, 1.25. Take your two answers and add them together and state their sum. That's how they, again, get away from you just being able to plug and chug the answers. Okay, the rest of the review is on, I have it posted. The answers posted. I want you to look at the answers, see which ones you understand, which ones you don't, and come to my office hour, okay? I'll be happy to help you with any of them. I will be there. If you can't make that office hour, email me. I'm here all day. Obviously, we all are. So if you can't do that, just shoot me an email or a message on Schoology, either one. My email, BrentK@carlisleschools.org. Okay, I'll be happy to, I'm hoping that you can come. Again, my office hours are 10 to 11 this morning, and then 1 to 2 this afternoon. Okay, if that doesn't work for you, I'd be happy to go over, try to, I'd be happy to, if I can, meet with you another time. Okay? All right, stay safe. Final exam Tuesday. Sorry for all the work on your own for the final, but I think if you just sit down, relax, and go over things, you should be okay. But like I said, the first 14 are like this, where if there is more than one solution, state their sum. Sometimes you do just get one answer, then fantastic. There's nothing to add together. But sometimes you get 2 answers or 3 answers, as you saw here. And then what you have to do is add the answers together, and that's the correct multiple choice response. Okay, guys, stay safe. I'll talk to you, see you at my office hour, or if not, I'll see you Tuesday. Okay, bye-bye.